In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order DoorDash with cash, only if available. Cash on delivery through DoorDash is limited. It works only when three things line up. The restaurant uses DoorDash Drive for cash orders, a driver accepts cash deliveries, and the cash option appears at checkout. If any of those is missing, you won't be able to pay with cash on that order. Start by opening the DoorDash app or going to the website, then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see nearby restaurants and your usual ordering options. Choose a restaurant that supports cash on delivery. There isn't always a badge or label ahead of time, so don't worry if you can't tell yet. The app will confirm it later at checkout. For now, browse the menu and make your selections just like you normally would. Add the items you want to your cart by tapping Add to Cart. Review your cart for quantities, sizes, and any special instructions before you place the order. When you're ready, go to checkout. On the checkout screen, look for payment method. If cash is supported for this restaurant and a driver is available to take a cash order, you'll see cash listed as a payment option. Select cash. If you don't see cash there, it means this order isn't eligible right now. That could be because the restaurant isn't enabled for cash orders, a nearby driver isn't taking cash deliveries at the moment, or the feature isn't active in your area or time. In that case, you'll need to use another payment method or try again later. After selecting cash, place your order by tapping Place Order. From here, it's like a normal delivery, but you'll pay when your food arrives. Have exact cash ready at the door, because drivers may not carry change. When the driver arrives, hand over the exact amount. The driver will collect the payment and mark the order as paid. If you want a tip in cash, include it with your payment so it's handled in one exchange. And that's the full process. Open DoorDash and log in, choose a restaurant that supports cash on delivery, add your items, go to checkout, select cash if it appears, place the order, and pay the driver at the door. If cash isn't available, a digital payment will be required instead. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.